how to filter photos by different media types on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Photos, and if your photos is displayed in Library, then just tap on the Close button down here to close Library, and then we scroll down. In here, go down to the Media Types section and you see Videos, Selfies, Live Photos, and Portrait. Now if you tap on the media types, this will display more of the different media types that you can select. So in here you can choose portrait, time-lapse, slow-mo, cinematic, burst, screenshots, and so on. So select a type. So let's say I want to view all my screenshots. I just tap on that, and in here it will display only screenshot photos. So this will allow me to quickly browse all my screenshots, and I can quickly locate a screenshot picture. And that's it. So here you can view videos. You can filter for the photos just to display only video types. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.